all of the Uber Sims and how to get them. Enjoy.
First up is the Uber Fun Sim, the Amazing Daryl, also known as Daryl Hansley.
You can achieve Daryl and get him in your town if you achieve 100% fun. And that is how you get the Uber Fun Sim.
Second, we have the Uber Geeky Sim, Star. You can have Star in your town if you get 100% geeky. Now we have the Uber Cute Sim, Hopper.
You can get Hopper in your town if you get 100% cute rating.
Now we have the fourth one, the Uber Tasty Sim, Ikara.
You can get Ikara, Chancellor Ikara I should say, if you achieve a 100% rating of Tasty in your town.
Next is the fifth Uber Sim. He is the Uber Studious Sim, Samurai Bob.
You can get Samurai Bob in your town if you get 100% studious, not spooky, studious rating in your town.
And finally, the sixth and definitely not least, the Uber Spooky Sim, Mel the Mummy.
Finally, the sixth and final Uber Sim, Mel the Mummy, the Uber Spooky Sim. You can get him in your town if you get 100% spooky rating. Thank you for watching this video on all of the Uber Sims and how to get them in your town. I hope you all enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.